Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to delete Google account. So first of all, what you have to do is go to your settings application. Now scroll down and you can see an option called Google. Simply tap on that. Now what you have to do is simply tap on this arrow button right beside your username. Simply tap on this arrow button and you will see something like this. Now what you have to do is simply tap on manage accounts on this device at the bottom. Simply tap on the option. Now scroll down and you can see an option called Google. Simply tap on Google. Now here what you have to do is simply tap on the account that you want to delete. Simply tap on the email address that you want to delete. Now it will show something like this. Now at the bottom you can see a more options. Simply tap on the more, and after tapping on remove account you will see something like this. Removing this account will delete all of its messages, contacts and other data from the phone, and after tapping remove account your account will be removed. So there you have it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Comment down your thoughts, and until then, goodbye.